everyone, it's Mrs. Brooks from the Little Voices Language Lab. I want to show you around my pacing guide for teachers. So first is your Read First page. Gives you information. If you forget how to use the document, you can always come back here. I will link the video so you can find that easily. Make sure you make a copy of this, please. And a little tip is to star the document. At the top, there's a little star, so you can always find it in your Google Drive. The pacing guide goes from August 2025 all the way to July of 2026. So it fills the whole school year, and it will be updated yearly. So once you purchase this resource, I will update the dates for you so you don't have to worry about it. At the top, you have the title of your plans. You could always write your name in here in case you have to turn your plans in to your principal or anything like that. You can put your name in there. At the top are where you could put your subjects or your groups. And then you can put what you're working on in the cells. Just some examples. Your to-do list over here is able to be checked off as you finish things. Your reminders over here, like maybe you have a meeting, Monday, August 18th. Those are also able to be checked off. If you like to print your plans, I did leave a note section in case you take your plans with you to meetings. And then at the bottom, there's also a spot for your standards. I know a lot of schools require your standards to be on your lesson plans or your pacing guides, so you can plug your standards in here. If your standard's too big to fit, not a problem. You can just highlight the cells and merge them. So, okay. Or maybe you want to make it bigger. Maybe you want your reading one to be really big. So you can merge those also. Just make sure you have enough space for everything. So you have lots of fun options within this document. I do have an example in here of my September plans. So I have interventions, I have language groups, I have math groups, all the things. So my favorite thing about this is, let's say we're going to do a digital capital or lowercase sort. I can link to that file. So up here is the insert link, and then I can find that file. There it is. So then when I come to school on September 2nd in the morning and it's the first day of school and the kids are rushing in and I'm freaking out, right? I can just go through and click, 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 and open up everything I need for that day right away in the morning. Super slick. I also like the to-do list part because I write myself notes. So like I have an art project, I need to cut the pieces ahead of time. I learned that the hard way last year. Or I need to make my sub-plans, and I put that in my to-do list. So it's kind of like a brain dump spot for you. And you are able to change the color of the cells. Like again, you can merge them, make them fit your needs. So down here, here's my standards. Plugged those in, and it's good to go. So I hope you find this resource useful.